Meet Mr. Dalbir Singh, the artist. Today is 2nd October and he finds that it is the birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. So he has decided to draw a portrait of the father of the nation as a tribute. Although he loves to do oil paintings, he is equally good at charcoal sketches and watercolors. It is not just his profession, he paints for a cause as well. He donates most of his works to hospitals, schools, children's homes and NGOs. He feels happy when his work brings smiles on the faces of children, patients and the stressed people. His sketches are well received and appreciated all over. His profession gives him inner peace and a sense of creative satisfaction. He has to enlarge most of the original pictures, which are smaller in size. He does it by square method. A proportionate squared frame is first drawn on a neat, thick, white drawing sheet. The squares must be equal in number and proportional in size to those already drawn on the original picture or a photograph. The original has to be carefully studied before starting the sketchwork. Here he begins his sketching first by drawing the top of the portrait. The lines defining the boundary of the complete sketch are carefully drawn. The square-to-square method helps a lot in drawing. A close eye is kept on the proportional progress of the drawn lines by comparing the sketch with the original work from time to time. Any mistake has to be corrected there and then. The specs, the frame, the nose and the ears have been drawn. The sketch seems to be taking shape slowly and steadily. Once the basic features have been drawn, the sketch comes alive. Shading work is then done with the help of a charcoal stick. It adds depth and dimension to the sketch, giving the right accent to the various features. The shading needs to be done skillfully and imaginatively. The sketch is now ready. It may find a place of pride in his collection. Thank you.